मैंने खाना पका लिया है। I have cooked food. I have cooked food. बारिश हो रही है। It is raining. It is raining. वो खेल के मैदान में है। He is in the playground. He is in the playground. मैंने काम मुकम्मल कर लिया है। I have completed the work. I have completed the work. वो बाजार जा रही है। She is going to the market. She is going to the market. मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ। I am drinking water. I am drinking water. वो क्रिकेट खेलता है। He plays cricket. He plays cricket. हम खुश हैं। We are happy. तुमने अच्छा किया। youने अच्छा किया। You did well. वो गाड़ी चला रहा है। He is driving a car. He is driving a car. मैं टीवी देख रहा हूँ। I am watching TV. I am watching TV. वो हंस रही है। She is laughing. She is laughing. हम एक साथ जा रहे हैं। We are going together. We are going together. वो पढ़ रहा है। He is studying. He is studying. मैं दोस्तों के साथ हूँ। I am with friends. I am with friends. वो पढ़ाई कर रही है। She is studying. She is studying. मैं नमाज पढ़ रहा हूँ। I am offering prayer. I am offering prayer. हम खेल रहे हैं। We are playing. We are playing. वो मेहनती है। He is hardworking. He is hardworking. मैं सुबह जाग गया था। I woke up early. वो खूबसूरत है। She is beautiful. She is beautiful. मैं सब्जी काट रहा हूँ. I am cutting vegetables. I am cutting vegetables. वो नाश्ता बना रही है. She is making breakfast. She is making breakfast. हम दौड़ रहे हैं. We are running. We are running. वो सो रहा है. He is sleeping. He is sleeping. मैंने सच बोला है. I have spoken the truth. I have spoken the truth. वो अच्छे कपड़े पहनी है. She is wearing nice clothes. She is wearing nice clothes. हम खुशी मना रहे हैं. We are celebrating. We are celebrating. वो सच बोल रहा है. He is telling the truth. He is telling the truth. मैं चाय पी रहा हूँ. I am drinking tea. I am drinking tea. वो सवाल पूछ रहा है. He is asking a question. He is asking a question. मैं मोबाइल इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ. I am using a mobile. I'm using a mobile. वो homework कर रही है. She is doing homework. She is doing homework. हम बाग में जा रहे हैं. We are going to the garden. We are going to the garden. वो खेल जीत गया. He won the game. He won the game. मैं कुरान पढ़ रहा हूँ. I am reading the Quran. I am reading the Quran. वो दुआ कर रही है. She is praying. She is praying. हम स्कूल में हैं. We are in school. We are in school. वो मेहनत से पढ़ता है. He studies with effort. He studies with effort. मैं have memorized the lesson. I have memorized the lesson. वो कहानी सुना रही है. She is telling a story. She is telling a story. मैंने कमरा साफ किया. I cleaned the room. I cleaned the room. हम दोस्तों से मिले. We met friends. We met friends. वो मुझे बुला रहा है. He is calling me. He is calling me. मैंने नया जूता खरीदा है. I have bought new shoes. I have bought new shoes.